You'll be surprised by this situation.
Hey, bro. I got you. Bless you. Blessed. Yeah. You're welcome. All right.
They say love has many languages. Apparently one of them is shouting tuna at full volume.
I see. Louis, do you want some dry food? Wet food? Tuna? You want tuna.
It seems like the yellow cat has ended up in the wrong gangster's house.
Merv, your bath is ready. Merv, you're stinky. It's been weeks. Smell your toe beans.
Lizzie. Bean. Beanie. Lizzie.
You know what this is? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Yep, it's ham.
I think the cat is calling its best friend, the dog, to come and play.
What? No way. Okay. What else do you have to say? I don't believe you. It can't be true. It is? I'm sorry, babe.
This video.
Come here. Come here. I have to brush you. I need to brush you. Chai. Come here. What? No. Come cuddle. Come here. Come here right now. Right now. Ripley.
Can you say hello?
Some pets learn tricks. Mine learns how to humble me, one hello at a time. Some bosses yell at meetings. Mine yells at doors. And honestly, it works just the same.
No, cats don't go outside. Not inside cats.
Were you sleeping this whole time? You were!
Imagine waking up grumpy and still getting dinner on demand. That's not a cat, that's upper management.
It's not dinner time yet. You still have like 30 minutes. Is that okay with you?
Asper. Hi. Are you ready for Friday?
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Hugging was never on today's agenda, and the boss made sure everyone knew it.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good girl. Yeah?
Cat, listen carefully. I said no.
What, Sunday? No, I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now.
This isn't just purring, it's the sound of royalty approving the massage service.
Yeah? Hey.
Well, you have fur, so I'm gonna need you to get off. Yeah, come on. I'm cold. You're hogging the blanket, Mishmish. Come on now. Mishmish.
Be nice. I hear you. I hear you.
You argue with me like a tiny lawyer in fur, and somehow, you always win the case.
Don't talk over me. Not cool, Gerb. No.
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son? Okay. Just wanted to say I love you, okay? Okay.
Kitty, you're waiting by the feeder? It's not time to eat yet. You have to be patient. No, you have to be patient because it's gonna come out, but you're wasting your life away in front of this feeder. No, Kitty, you gotta go out there, you gotta go live, you gotta go chase flies and play with your toys. You can't wait by the feeder all the time. You know? I feel like you're not listening to me.
She's a cat, but she doesn't say meow. She says hi.
Yeah, I've been here the whole time. I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
Hi. Good girl.
You pace the kitchen, singing little hungry songs. Even the way you lick your lips feels like an order.
Hello.
You shout hello down the stairs like a proud host. And honestly, it's the warmest welcome home I could ask for.
Excuse me. How did you even get up there? Well, how do you expect me to get you down? I'm too short. I love you.
Berlin, dinner is at 8 o'clock, you understand? Why not? You hungry now?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Oh no. You don't need more food.
Yes, with a body like this amount of food is definitely too little.
Mama. Mama.
Who dares to say cats can't talk
Mama.
now?
You have had dinner. You have had treats. You do not need anything else tonight. I'm not giving you any more treats tonight.
Did you just eat a bug?
A lie has no legs. What a bad liar.
Oh, okay.
What you want? You want something? You want food? I do you some more. Hello. Hello. You okay? Oh, good. What did you get up to? Oh, really? Wow, exciting.
What do you say? Thank you.
Perhaps this is the most polite cat in the universe.